We discuss trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So, what is called complementary angles? That means the sum of a pair of angles is must be 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Clear? That means how to find that trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now, first of all, we can take a right angle triangle. Clear? So, we can take the right angle triangle is ABC. Right angle at B. Clear? Angle C is denoted by theta. Angle A is denoted by 90 minus theta. Let it be angle B is 90 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees. What is the angle of A? We can take angle sum property. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Already we know that angle B is 90, angle C is 60 degrees. So the sum is how much? 150. Clear? Now the third angle is 30 degrees. That means what are 90, let it be angle B is 90, we can take angle C is 60. We have to find that third angle. That means 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, it will be 30 degrees. Similarly, angle B is 90, angle C is theta. Now, we have to find that third angle is 90 minus theta. Clear? And first we have to observe that angle C is denoted by theta. So, opposite side to theta is indicated by AB. Clear? Opposite side to theta is AB. Adjacent side to theta is BC. Clear? Already different colors are there. The next one, this is 90 minus theta. So opposite side to 90 minus theta is BC. Adjacent side to theta is 90 minus theta is AB. Clear? AC is called hypotenuse. Now we are going to trigonometric ratios. So the definition of sine theta. What is called sine theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So now opposite side to theta indicates AB. Clear? By hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Now sine theta equals to opposite side indicates AB, hypotenuse indicates AC. Now we can write sine theta equals to AB by AC. Now cos theta, the definition of cos theta is adjacent side to theta. This is theta is located. Adjacent side to theta is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Now we can take cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta is indicated BC by hypotenuse is AC. Now tan theta. The definition of tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta is AB. Adjacent side to theta is BC. Now tan theta can be written as AB by BC. Now cosecant theta. Cosecant theta definition is hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. So hypotenuse is AC. So that is opposite side to theta is AB. Now we can write AC by AB. Now secant theta. Secant theta definition is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Secant theta definition is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. So that is hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent side to theta is BC. Clear? Secant theta can be written as AC by BC. The next one, cot theta. Cot theta is, definition is adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Now adjacent side to theta is BC. Opposite side to theta is AB. Now cot theta equals to BC by AB according to this triangle. Clear? The next one we are going to 90 minus theta. Clear? Now sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta. Sine means opposite side to 90 minus theta indicates BC. Adjacent side to 90 minus theta indicates AB. AC is hypotenuse. Now we are going to sine 90 minus theta can be written as opposite side to 90 minus theta is BC by hypotenuse. Now we can write BC by AC. The next one cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is adjacent side to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to 90 minus theta indicates AB. By hypotenuse is AC. The next one tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta definition is opposite side to 90 minus theta by adjacent side to 90 minus theta, that is BC by AB. Clear? The next one is cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta definition is hypotenuse by opposite side to 90 minus theta. Hypotenuse is AC. Opposite side to 90 minus theta is BC. We can write cosecant 90 minus theta is AC by BC. The next one secant 90 minus theta. Definition is hypotenuse by adjacent side to 90 minus theta. Now hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent side to 90 minus theta is AB. Now we can write AC by AB. The next one is cot 90 minus theta. Definition is adjacent side to 90 minus theta by opposite side to 90 minus theta indicates BC. Now we can write AB by BC. Clear? Now we have to observe that 90 minus theta and theta, their sum is 90 minus theta plus theta, it will be theta. Clear? That is called complementary angles. Now first we have to observe that sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta value is BC by AC. Clear? BC by AC. Now BC by AC equals to cos theta. We conclude that sin 90 minus theta is BC by AC. Cos theta is BC by AC. Now we have to observe that these are equal. Now we can write sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Similarly, we have to observe that cos 90 minus theta value is AB by AC. Now we can write AB by AC. So the value of AB by AC is sin theta. We have to observe that cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Clear? The next one is tan 90 minus theta. Value is BC by AB. Now we have to observe that BC by AB. Value is cot theta. Now we can write tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Now cosecant 90 minus theta value is AC by BC. Clear? Now AC by BC is secant theta. Now we have to observe that cosecant 90 minus theta equals to secant theta. Now secant 90 minus theta value is AC by AB. Clear? Now AC by AB value is cosecant theta. Now we can write secant 90 minus theta equals to cosecant theta. The next one is cot 90 minus theta. Value is AB by BC. Cot 90 minus theta value is AB by BC. Now we have to observe that AB by BC value is tan theta. Now we have to observe that cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Clear? Once again, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Clear? And also its converse. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. Now cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta and vice versa. Tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Clear? And vice versa. Cosecant 90 minus theta equals to secant theta and vice versa. Secant 90 minus theta equals to cosecant theta and vice versa. Cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta and vice versa. Clear? These are called trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Clear? So once check the board once again. Okay. now you're like the my class, and after that you are subscribe my channel. Clear? Thanking you one and all. Have a nice day and good day. Thank you one and all.